Along the semester, we have been working with a project that is about making smash food products for all people that don't have teeth. We have been thinking about several projects and prototypes, and we finally make a solution by making surveys to people to know what people need and what people want. So by that, we refer that each participant of this team have surveys and go with different type of people and different persons and ask about our project. First, by asking them with no clue of what we were doing. So they give us their opinion about everything in general, referred to the thing we were thinking to make. And then we make another survey by asking them about our idea of our product. And by this, we can make an idea and we can think about solutions that make us easier making this project. The participants of this team were Basti Cantú, Mauricio Cuelos, Marcos Kimli, and Luz Mariana Hernandez. And the four of us worked so hard to make everything we needed to know how to make this product perfect to the people. We search markets, we search products, we search what people want, we ask professional persons about that type of work. We ask health people, doctors, and by having all that opinions and all that information, we finally make a solution come out, and we finally know what we're gonna do with our product. Our success will be measured in a range of how much this product will be sold, how much hospitals and places that need this product will buy them, and how much people will like this product. The product is making smash food for all people, but that smash food will have all the nutrients, proteins, vitamins, etc. So we need to know what people want and what people need. So our solution, in conclusion, it was determined by the people opinion and gathering information in general by professionals and all that stuff. It was implemented in the point where we know what people want and what people need and what was the opinion of people that know about that specific thing about all people without teeth, health, and all that. The participants worked so hard, and we were always trying to search more so our product was good to the market. And finally, our success will be measured until the product go out. So by having our product in the market, we will see if people really like it, if the opinions were good, if the professional advices help us, and we will have a measure of if it really was a success or maybe not, but we are going to see that success and that measure until our product go out and people taste it and have their opinion of it. Thank you.